Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make the best pineapple cinnamon rolls. These are soft, buttery, just absolutely delicious. Now we are going to make the dough. To make the dough today, we are going to use one extra ingredient, and that should make this dough even fluffier, pillowy soft. All right, so we are going to assemble our wet ingredients here. But not to worry, everything that I'm using will be in the description box listed down below. And that ingredient is our sour cream. All right, I've never added sour cream to my cinnamon rolls dough, but I saw this a few months ago, so I decided to give it a try. All right. So I'm going to use my spatula just to pull this dough together because I do not want to over knead the dough. All right, so now I'm going to pull the dough together, and then I'm going to cover and let this sit in a warm place to poof while I work on my pineapple filling. And I will be using my food processor and grating my pineapple. Then I'm going to place that in a pan, add a little bit of sugar, one cinnamon stick, guys. Add some orange zest. Allow this to reduce to this consistency, set aside to cool. You can also use the same filling for pine tart. Actually, I was making pine tart, and then this idea came to me of making this. So I'll leave a link as well to my pine tart recipe. So after adding the butter and the dough, you're going to add your pineapples. Then you are going to add some cinnamon sugar right over the top. Right, you're going to grease your dish, your baking dish. And here I'm just giving it some, little marks just to make sure it's nice and even. Now this one here, I add the room temperature cream cheese to the pine filling, and I whip that up. And then I'm going to spread this over the dough as well, same process. Then you're going to add your cinnamon sugar. I love cream cheese, guys. Absolutely love cream cheese. So I'm using a string to cut the cinnamon rolls out because it just makes it a little cleaner and neater. And then I cover and allow this to rise a bit. And then I bake in at 350 for about 55 minutes. I made the glaze, and this is what it looks like, guys. Look at that. OMG. Guys, I had to really control myself and apply discipline here because I am definitely working on losing this weight, and I've lost a lot, but I still got a ways to go. So I had to really discipline myself not to indulge, because this right here, honey, it is pure indulgence. Okay? It is soft and pillory. So this is my chocolate cinnamon roll. I do have a pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. And now we have our pineapple cinnamon rolls. Link to those in the description box as well. Love you guys. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.